Hello friends. This is an eggshell. What people throw away. Did you know? Eggshells contain a lot of calcium and minerals. These are very good nutrients for plants. This video will show you how to use it for plants in two ways. The first way, we will make them break. You can use your hands to squeeze them out like this. Or you can use a blender, it's even better. This is fine. Now I will fertilize the plants directly. I will fertilize these plants. Just sprinkle directly into the soil. Backfill. That's it. The plant will absorb nutrients from the eggshell through the roots. Very simple, right? Next, I will guide you through the second method. This way the plant will absorb nutrients faster by absorbing through the leaves and roots. First, we also break it like this. If possible, it is better to grind it finely. I use a little vinegar. This is the common vinegar used in cooking. This vinegar contains a lot of acid. When it reacts with the eggshell, it will cause the substances in the eggshell to quickly separate. And so the plant will absorb it more easily and absorb it faster. I use this jar. Add eggshells and vinegar to soak. Soaking ratio 50 milliliters vinegar for 2 eggshells. You soak from 12 to 24 hours. After soaking, dilute them with water. I use 500 milliliters of water. Now I will filter the water. Then water the plants. Now I will water the plants. You spray directly on the leaves. And water the roots. If you find the video useful, remember to like and share it with everyone. Goodbye and see you again.